Plants, like other living organisms, use stored chemical energy to carry out life's processes. They do this in order to grow, to transport nutrients, to reproduce, and to protect themselves. In this unit, you will learn about excretion. Just like in any process, some form of waste or byproducts will be produced and excreted. Plants also produce waste and byproducts. Use the viewer to mouse over the parts of this plant. Discover how plants eliminate their waste. Plants produce waste through respiration and photosynthesis at the leaf. Can you describe how plants excrete through photosynthesis? Can you describe how plants excrete through respiration? Click on the buttons to find out. Plants carry out respiration. During respiration, what wastes are produced? Which of these is a byproduct of plant respiration? Click on the text labels to find out. The byproduct of respiration is carbon dioxide and water vapor. Plants need oxygen to carry out respiration. Photosynthesis is a basic process of all plants. Photosynthesis allows plants to make its own food and nutrients. During photosynthesis, what wastes are produced? Which of these is a byproduct of photosynthesis? Click on the text labels to find out. Plants need sunlight to carry out photosynthesis. Plants need carbon dioxide to carry out photosynthesis. The byproduct of photosynthesis is oxygen. Plants need water to carry out photosynthesis. Photosynthesis occurs at the leaf. Let us take a closer look at the leaf. Can you describe how plants eliminate oxygen during photosynthesis? Observe the animation. Plant leaves contain tiny pores called stomata. During photosynthesis, water molecules are absorbed into the guard cell of the stoma. This allows the stoma to open. Carbon dioxide then moves in through the stomatal opening. Oxygen within the plant is released. We learned that plants excrete oxygen during photosynthesis and carbon dioxide and water vapor during respiration. Do plants have any other form of excretion? What are the other byproducts of plants? Click on the icons to find out. Transpiration is the evaporation of water from plants. The byproduct of transpiration is excess water. This mainly occurs at the leaves and stem. Plants can also excrete waste when parts of them die, such as withering leaves. Byproducts like calcium oxide in the leaves and stem are excreted when the leaves die. Plants can also excrete waste through the stem. Byproducts like latex, gum, and resin are stored in barks. Apart from oxygen, carbon dioxide, and water, plants also excrete other byproducts such as oils and minerals. Some of these byproducts are useful to us. They are used to make tire, ink, varnish, and perfumes. Some even have medicinal properties. Click on the trees in this garden to discover the uses of their wastes. The latex from rubber trees is used to make tires, gloves, and mattresses. Tannin from grape skin is used to make ink. We have learned that the lungs provide oxygen to the blood. Plants, like other living organisms, just like in any process, some form have medicinal teas. Click on the trees in this garden to discover the uses of their wastes. Some even have medicinal properties. Click on the trees in this garden to discover the uses of their wastes. Byproducts of plants can also be toxic. Some toxic byproducts can be used to cure ailments. Unfortunately, people can also abuse these byproducts of plants. Plants produce all types of waste, from common products like oxygen and water to complex products like resin and latex. Some of these byproducts can be used to manufacture everyday goods, but some of these byproducts can also be abused. Here is a simple exercise. On your right, choose the correct answer. In this lesson, you should be able to answer the following questions. Plants excrete their waste products through photosynthesis, respiration, transpiration, withering leaves. Plants can also excrete waste through the stem. The types of excretory products eliminated by plants are oxygen, water, carbon dioxide, resin, latex. During photosynthesis, oxygen is produced as waste. During respiration, carbon dioxide and water are produced as waste. Beneficial excretory products from plants are latex, which can be made into tire, gloves, and mattresses. Tannin, which can be used in ink. Toxic waste such as morphine and cocaine are used illegally. Nicotine is used in cigarettes. Choose the correct answer. Which of the Let us confirm what you know. Can you answer these? How do plants eliminate their excretory products? Plants excrete oxygen during photosynthesis. Plants excrete carbon dioxide and water during respiration. Plants excrete water during transpiration. Plants can also excrete complex waste when parts of them die, such as withering leaves. Byproducts like latex, gum, and resin are stored in barks. Let us confirm what you know. What are the types of excretory products eliminated by plants? Plants excrete common elements such as carbon dioxide, oxygen, and water. Plants can also excrete complex products such as latex, gum, and resin. Let us confirm what you know. What are the benefits of some byproducts of plants? Click on the button to see the beneficial uses of plant byproducts. Latex from rubber trees can be made into mattresses, tires, and latex gloves. Tannin from grapes can be made into blue ink. Let us confirm what you know. Can you answer these questions? How are the byproducts of plants abused? Morphine from poppy fruit can be used as painkillers or abused as a drug. Nicotine from tobacco leaves can be used as painkillers or abused as cigarettes. Cocaine from coca leaves can be used as anesthetic or abused. Marijuana from cannabis can be used as anti-nausea or abused as a drug. Find the difference between excretion in humans and plants. Click the text labels from the various groups and drag them to the correct row and column. Even plants can be misused or abused. Identify the types of addictive substances eliminated in plants. Observe how these items become addictive. Outline the negative side effects of prolonged misuse. Determine what are the necessary steps required to reverse the negative effects.